Hey everyone, welcome back to the Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I am going to unbox with you the July Joyful Jordan box. The Joyful Jordan box is a subscription box from Jordan Essentials that is $29 each month, and it ships for free to those who are subscribers. You can also purchase this in addition to anything throughout the catalog, or by itself, or in multiples of any number if it's something that you really love and want to share. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. Each little box of awesomeness is full of some exclusive goodies and some that are maybe in our current catalog but in different sizes perhaps. This month the postcard says, "Sending you a day full of sunshine, a life filled with rainbows, and a pocket full of dreams," and that is from Nancy Bogart, the founder and owner of Jordan Essentials. On the back of the postcard is a little picture of what's inside and a blip about each one, so it kind of gives you instructions on how to use it. So the Joyful Jordan box is a great way to get your hands on some amazing Jordan Essentials products and try out the products and get a feel for the brand. So this is a box full of hair care. Yummy, non-toxic, good for us hair care. So we'll start out with the Everyday Shampoo. So this is an exclusive fragrance in the acai and passion fruit, and it is a 3-ounce size, which is great for travel. It's the Everyday formula, which the Everyday Shampoo formula is great for all hair types and is great for everyday use. The Everyday Shampoo in acai and passion fruit is perfect for kids, men, and non-color treated hair. It leaves your hair clean and shiny. So we do have a couple of other options in our regular catalog that are more beneficial for color treated hair, that have a few more moisturizing ingredients. This one is just as safe. It just doesn't prolong your hair color like some of the other recipes that we have for our shampoos. It smells so good in this exclusive fragrance. Next, we'll hop over to the Daily Conditioner. This is in avocado and coconut. It is a lightweight conditioner that leaves your hair soft without chemicals. It's light enough to use each time you shampoo. I use this conditioner every time I shampoo my hair. We just have the one daily conditioner formula, and it is great for all hair types. I just love it, and this smells so good and fresh. Our leave-in conditioner, and this is in the coconut lime fragrance. This product is in our regular catalog, so like I said, the Joyful Jordan box is a mix of exclusive and regular catalog items, sometimes in different sizes. This one in particular happens to be the exact one from the catalog. So if you're someone who likes a leave-in conditioner, this is great, and also a great way for you to try some of the other hair care products. This leave-in conditioning spray helps hair stay hydrated and not weighed down. It's for use on wet hair before styling. You can also use this to spray if you have a little one that has trouble combing through their hair in the evening. Because of the non-toxic formula, it doesn't leave your hair feeling really greasy. So that's a great one, and the coconut lime smells so good, especially these summer months. And lastly is the hair serum, which this is also an item that's in our regular catalog. This is a product that I love, and it's one of the ones that I have more recently than others started using. So the hair serum is avocado infused. It's excellent to use on dry hair to leave a shiny, lightweight, healthy gloss to your hair. It works great for all ages and on beards. I use the hair serum on my wet hair as a leave-in treatment. I actually like the serum a little bit better than the leave-in spray Could be because my hair is color treated. I do have some blonde in my hair, so it could be from damage from the bleach. But I really like to use the hair serum on my wet hair, but you can use it wet or dry to help with flyaways. So these 4 products make a great box for you to become acquainted with Jordan Essentials hair care products. This is actually everything in our hair care line, minus some of the other fragrances in the shampoos. The leave-in conditioner has a larger size and a different fragrance. And of course we have the other shampoo options, the rosemary with moisturizing and the tea tree shampoo. But this is a great way to introduce yourself to Jordan Essentials hair care, and you will be hooked, because without any of the chemical fillers, it leaves your hair healthy, shiny, and soft. If you have any questions about the Joyful Jordan box, including any of these products or any of the products throughout our regular catalog, please reach out to me. I am happy to help. You can also find the link to our flip book as well as my website in the description box below. Be on the lookout in July for a retiring list. There are some products and fragrances that will be vaulted because we do have a new catalog coming out at the end of July for the fall and winter. So I'm really looking forward to that. In the meantime, we have this great box in July, and if you need any help with getting this, getting a subscription set up, or getting anything else throughout the catalog or my website, please let me know and I am happy to help. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you've tried Jordan Essentials, either our hair care products or any of the other products. Hit that subscribe button. I will have some new videos coming out that will include simplified spaces and refreshed spaces in my home, and some cleaning content using some of our Jordan Essentials home cleaners. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss a future video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.